Dear students, today I'll discuss with you some important MCQ for the chapter solid state which are helpful for you for NEET and JEE. First question, a compound MPXQ has cubic closed packing arrangement like this in the given figure. So see, these are the face centered and these are the edge centered. Okay, so what you have to do, you see, for whenever you take the edge centered, so your M is edge centered. So for M edge center, one edge centered is set by 4. So for 1 it is 1 by 4 multiplied for how many edges are 4 edges are there, so it is 1. Okay, then one body center is there plus one body center, so you will get 2. For face centered, X is face centered, so this is M, and for X face centered, how many faces are there? You are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces are there, so one face is shared with your 2, so 6 multiplied 4, 1 half multiplied 6 plus 1 body centered, so it is your 4. Okay, so X 4, so your formula is M2 X4, and you can also write MX2, so MX2 B is the correct answer. Okay, next, the number of tetrahedral voids in the unit cell of a face-centered cubic lattice of similar atom is, you see, whenever it is tetrahedral taken for face-centered and tetrahedral voids. Okay, so for face-centered, you take one face is, that is shared with 2, so for 1 it is half, 6 faces are there. Okay, so 6 faces are there, so what you do, you will get 3. Okay, plus 1 body centered, so you will get 4. Okay, so you will get 4, but for as it is given tetrahedral, so octahedral and your face centered is equal to 4, but for tetrahedral, which is having the double of the octahedral, so you will get 4 here, so the answer will be 4 multiplied 2, it is your 8. Okay, you understand? So whenever octahedral or face centered, both are same, but whenever you consider tetrahedral, number of tetrahedral voids, then it is double the number of octahedral voids, so the answer is 8, C answer. Next, structure of a mixed oxide in cubic closed packed. The cubic unit cell of mixed oxide is composed of oxide ions. 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent metal A, and the octahedral voids are occupied by a monovalent metal B. The formula of the oxide is what? You see, whenever you take the oxide, let us say oxide. Question number 3. Question number 3. Number of oxide O minus 2. Let it be N. Okay. Next. Then the number of, what is given? 1/4 oxide composed oxide ions, 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent metal A, and the octahedral voids are occupied by a monovalent metal. So let us take octahedral voids. Octahedral voids. So oxide number is equal to octahedral voids. It is also N. So it is by B. It is by B. So it is what? It is monovalent. It is monovalent. Valency 1. then the metal A, that is 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids. If octahedral is N, then tetrahedral is equal to 2N, and A is 1/4. A is 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids. So 2N divided 4th, it is A. So that is what? N by 2. So then you find the ratio A, B and oxide O minus 2. So what is A? N by 2. What is B? N. What is O? It is also N. So the ratio will be your what? The ratio will be 2N, that is 2A. Okay, so, sorry, the ratio will be, it is multiplied by 2, means what? You will get N, that is A, is to B, 2B is to A, is to B2 is to O2 minus 2. Okay, so the answer is A, B2, O2. Okay, yes. Next, question number 4. If the unit cell of a mineral has a cubic closed packed arrangement of oxygen atoms with m fraction of octahedral holes occupied with the aluminum ions and n fraction of tetrahedral holes occupied by the Mg plus 2 ions, M and N, then find the M and N respectively. So how to do? You see, in closed CCP, cubic closed packed, what you will do? You see, in CCP, what is, let us, the Z is given, CCP for Z, the number of, what is Z? It is a constant known as number of particles present per unit cell. Okay, it is Z. So in CCP, the lattice is, the lattice Z, it is 4. Okay, so number of oxygen atoms, number of oxide, that is oxygen atoms, that is 4O minus 2. Okay, the number of octahedral voids, it is also 4. Okay, always octahedral voids is equal to your oxide. Then number of tetrahedral voids is equal to double its number, it is 8. Okay, next, as m fraction of octahedral voids is occupied by L plus ions, octahedral voids is n plus ion, so it is your L plus ion, L plus 3 ion, and tetrahedral voids Mg plus 2 ions, it is Mg plus 2 ions. Okay, so you will get what? Al, the formula is Al4 M Mg 8N O4. Okay, so then calculate the valency, total valency. We know the total valency of a compound is always 0. The summation of total valency is 0. So you will get what? 4M plus 3, valency of aluminum plus 3, plus 8N, valency of magnesium is plus 2, plus 4, oxide valency minus 2, So total is 0. So we'll get what? 12m plus 16n minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So by solving this, we will get the value of m and n. You will get it is m is half and n is 1 by 8. You put for testing 12 multiplied half plus 16 multiplied 1 by 8 minus 8 is how much? You see, this is 6 and this is your 2 and this is 8. You are getting 0. Okay, so value is half, m is half, n is 1 by 8. So answer A is the correct answer. Next, a metal crystallizes in a face-centered cubic structure if adds length of the unit cell is A. The closest approach between the two atoms in the metallic crystal will be what? So you have to remember this one. It is A by root 2. This is the answer. You have to remember. Okay.